Yes. It's already 11:07. So let's start. Second batch last week start అయింది జనవరి. ఒక 1 వీక్ అయింది. 1 వీక్ ఏంటి? ఈ వీక్తో కలిపి 2 వీక్స్, ఇంకొక 2 వీక్స్ ఉంది సెకండ్ బ్యాచ్. హాయ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 27. మ్యామ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. 28. So guys, if you want to speak, if you want me to take a speaking mock, so please raise your hands. Where is Harry Potter? Song పాడతానన్నారు. Yes, yes. సాంగ్ పాడతానన్నారు. సైలెంట్ గా ఉన్నారు ఏంటి? రామ్ అండ్ హ్యారీ పోటర్, where are you? Next batch. Harry Potter not there. Okay, I'll sing tomorrow. Okay, and tomorrow is our last class. మన బ్యాచ్ కి రేపే లాస్ట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది అండి. సెకండ్ బ్యాచ్ ఆల్రెడీ రన్ అవుతుంది. సెకండ్ బ్యాచ్ వచ్చి ఒక 2 వీక్స్, ఈ వీక్ తో కలిపి 2 వీక్స్.
సెప్టెంబర్ 1st ఆన్వర్డ్స్ సెకండ్ బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది మ్యామ్.
సెప్టెంబర్ 1st, ఫ్రమ్ సెప్టెంబర్ 1st. సో ఎగ్జామ్ గురించి ఒకసారి రేపు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాము సుమా. ఓకే, ఎగ్జామ్ గురించి రేపు ఒకసారి మ్యామ్ నేను ఈరోజు డిస్కస్ చేసి, మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి కదా, అందరికీ ఎలా కండక్ట్ చేయాలి అనేది రేపు ఒకసారి డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో ప్లీజ్ రేజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. ఎవరు స్పీకింగ్? లేదా నన్నే సెలెక్ట్ చేయమంటారా? ఏమన్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. ఎస్. సో నేనే నేమ్ చెప్తాను, వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడాలి ఈరోజు. ఓకే, రెడీయా? ట్రై టు స్పీక్ సంథింగ్. ఓకే, ఏదైనా పర్లేదు. సో ఎవరు మాట్లాడలేదు వాళ్ళు. నేను want to talk but net continue to break అవుతుంది. జాహ్నవి, ఓకే, బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా? సో ఇప్పుడు ఎలా ఉంది నెట్? ఇఫ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఓకే, నేను మిమ్మల్ని అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను, మీరు ఒక మాక్ కంటిన్యూ చేయొచ్చు. బ్యాంక్ స్కోర్ ష్యూర్. బ్యాంక్ స్కోర్ అప్పుడే ఇవ్వాల్సింది కదా. నేను ఎవరో ఒకరికి ఇచ్చాను అనుకుంటా, ఎవరికో 6.5 to 7. Yes, Harry Potter అనుకుంటా. జయశ్రీ మీరు మాట్లాడారు కదా. Actually, I forgot about that. బట్ బాగా మాట్లాడారు. బ్యాండ్ స్కోర్ అంటే మీరు అందరూ మాట్లాడిన వాళ్ళు జస్ట్ రేంజ్ చెప్తున్నాను. మీరు ఐఎల్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ తీసుకుంటే కనుక 6 to 7 రేంజ్ వరకు ఉన్నారు. 6 నుంచి 7 రేంజ్ వరకు. 6 రావచ్చు, 6.5 రావచ్చు, 7 ఆర్ 7 వరకు రావచ్చు. ఓకే, మధ్య మధ్యలో మనకి గ్యాప్ వస్తుంది అనుకుంటే కనుక 5.5 వేస్తారు. సో మీ రేంజ్ ఒక 6 to 6.57 వరకు ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇంకా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే మెయిన్ ఫ్లూయెన్సీ. నెక్స్ట్ ట్రై టు యూస్ సమ్ వొకాబులరీ వర్డ్స్. ఓకే, highest score is 9 band. In IELTS, the highest score is 9 band. Okay, out of 9, 6 to 7. Okay, మ్యామ్ ఎవరొకరిని మీరే చూసి ఒక అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి మ్యామ్. స్పీకింగ్ మాక్ తీసుకుందాం.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఎవరు హ్యాండ్ రేజ్ చేయట్లేదు.
అందరూ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు మ్యామ్. చూడండి 30 వచ్చారంటే 27కి వచ్చేసారు.
అయ్యయ్యో, సర్లే మీరే చెప్పండి ఎవరు మాట్లాడతారు. ఇట్స్ యువర్ చాయిస్. హ్యారీ పాటర్ మాట్లాడతానన్నారు, రాలేదేంటి? అండ్ రామ్ ఈ రోజు పాడొచ్చుగా సాంగ్. మధుయాని మాట్లాడావు కదా నువ్వు. మధు ఓకే 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 రామ్. సరస్వతి గారు మాట్లాడారు. ఎస్, మధుయాని మాట్లాడారు. నీలవేణి గారు మాట్లాడారా? నీలవేణి. సో మీరు అసలు టెన్షన్ పడొద్దు, నాతో ఫ్రీగా మాట్లాడండి ఎవరొకరు. యూ కెన్ కాల్ మీ మధు. ఎస్, మధు. మధు.
మ్యామ్ పుష్పలత ఈస్ట్ గోదావరి తను మాట్లాడారు మ్యామ్.
పుష్పలత లేదు మ్యామ్, పుష్పలత గారు మాట్లాడలేదు. ఓవర్వ్యూ రేపు ఇస్తాను. రేపు లాస్ట్ డే కదా, ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏమి డిస్కస్ చేసామో ప్రతిదీ నేను రేపు డిస్కస్ చేసేస్తా. ఓకే, వంశీ వెరీ గుడ్. వంశీ కృష్ణ మ్యామ్. వంశీ కృష్ణ అని ఒకసారి
అన్మ్యూట్ చేశాను మ్యామ్ తను. వంశీ కృష్ణ గారు మీరు కూడా అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి సరే. స్క్రీన్ చేయండి.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
How are you? How are you, Vansi garu?
I am fine, madam. Thank you.
Thank you. And where you are from, Vansi garu?
I am from Betamchala, madam. It is located in Kurnool district.
Kurnool district. Okay,
Yes, madam.
good. So do you want me to ask some questions? Okay, let's talk something about your your name. What's your full name?
My full name is Vamsi Krishna Tupakula, madam. I am pretty comfortable. Sorry, madam.
Yes,
Vamsi Krishna Tupakula.
Okay.
I am pretty comfort to call me as a Vamsi.
Vamsi.
Yes, madam.
Vamsi, are you a student or do you work?
Yeah, madam. I am a businessman, madam. I am a self-employed.
Okay. So tell me about your business. What do you do?
Yeah. Yes, madam. Yeah, I'm doing business in stone business. I'm doing the stone business. In our area is famous for stones.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm doing business of stones such as basalite,
Oh,
basalites, and
bracelets.
I'm yeah, basalites, man. It is famous. Our town is famous for basalites, black basalite,
Black bracelets. Good.
and
Uh,
many minerals are available in our hometown,
mhm.
But most available thing product is basalite, and such as other products are such as iron ore, limestone.
Okay, good.
Uh,
It is Karnool, right? Karnool.
yeah, Karnal, yes, ma'am, Karnal.
Yes. Okay.
And I'm exporting our products to Rajasthan and to other countries
Great.
also. We are exporting.
Good.
Actually, knowing learning English, it is for me. It is useful to talk with our clients. Clients means
Clients. Yes. Yes. Of
yeah.
course. Yes.
So I'm eagerly to learn English very fluently.
Yes. So, just main thing is practice, Vamsi garu. So while you are speaking, just speak to your friends, or while you are speaking with your clients, you will be habituated to that. And good, very good.
Thank you.
So, um, what is the main thing that you like about your hometown?
Yeah, main thing it shows much opportunities for unemployed. That is good thing. And also mostly it is that is the main thing, because even for some illiterate persons and uneducated persons also they have much opportunities to work here.
Mm.
Uh, they start their career as a self-employment if they have investment in this field.
Good, good.
And,
So there are many possibilities in your
many
hometown, right?
possibilities.
Very good. Is there anything that you dislike in your hometown? Anything
Yeah.
about your hometown?
Yes, madam. Dislike means because of this is an industrial area. It is full of polluted, full air pollution is going on. It's a so for due to pollution, those a lot of dust particles are there in the air. So it is pollution. Pollution is the major things, madam. This is
So
a
how
very
can you suggest any measures to tackle that problem?
suggestion. Okay, we have to plant the trees, and our government also have to take care of this. Mm. Also
So
recently our town became the municipality. I think they they may planting the trees nearby our hometown. They are arranging
do you think
gardening
only
also.
government is responsible or individual?
Government, government, not only government, we are the also government. We, mm, yeah, we should take care of us. But that much motivation is not there here, madam, rightly,
Okay,
in our location.
okay.
Only looking for earning the money only.
Yes, exactly. So, let's talk something about transportation. Uh, what is the most popular means of transportation in your hometown?
Yeah, it is four-wheelers that those are heavy vehicles such as lorries.
Mm.
Because with the support of this heavy vehicles only we can transport our product to other area.
Mm.
Also the transportation also it is one of the source for availability of jobs, such as
Mm.
for availability of employment to the persons, to the for mechanics, for technical issue of vehicles, for it is mechanical, so they have chance to mechanics, and it is a good income for transport also. Majorly means when thing when lorry got accident only it will be upset to the owners. Other than if it not if nothing will happen means It
It's
is
very
good.
beneficial to them, right? Yes.
It is beneficial to them.
Okay. So, sir, tell me, do you prefer public transport or private transport?
If in our location, public transport, that much heavy transport is not there, madam. It is not required also.
What do you prefer?
Much
What do you prefer? Public
for
transport
for
or
business purpose or for myself, madam.
yes, yes.
For myself, I prefer public transport itself, madam.
Okay, public transport. Yes.
Yeah, madam. It is reasonable and affordable to us.
Yes, exactly. It's very inexpensive, right? More inexpensive.
Yes, madam.
Yes. And also, if people do prefer this public transport, it helps to ease the intensity of traffic jams, right?
Yes, madam.
Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. And
Thank you.
is there any other topics? Okay. So, please describe your daily routine. Daily routine.
Yes, madam. It is a cue card, madam. Other is a topic or a question?
Just question.
Okay, madam. I started my daily routine by the. Actually, I usually go for running, madam. I started my daily routine as doing for exercise because I am the good runner first of all, and after completion of my running daily routine, doing breakfast and shortly I will go to my factory as soon as possible 9 o'clock at 9 p.m. 9 a.m. Then I will coordinate my workers, our laborers, to do the work, and I will check the any orders will have just I will verified any orders are there, any orders are going to complete, or any orders have to receive. And because shortly I will return back to home at 1 o'clock to complete my lunch. Then I will return back to our factory, and I will be back at 4 o'clock to home, madam. This is the timetable regularly what I am doing.
Okay.
At 4 o'clock, I will spend my time with my family members.
Family. Good.
Yeah, this is a much opportunity for self-employment guys. They'll spend a lot of time for their family, and they give a lot of time to the family. And any emergency time also they are available. That is a good thing for the self-employment guys. And
Exactly.
tension is common, and pressure is common. But
we can spend much of our time with our family. It's a
yes,
positive. Very
yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Very good. So it's cue card. Let's move on to the next part. It is cue card.
Okay.
Your topic is yes. Describe a piece of good news that you received from someone. Describe
Okay.
a piece of good news
Okay.
that you received from someone. Yes.
Okay.
Your first question is what this news was. What
Okay.
this news was. Second one, when and where you heard it. When and where
Okay.
you heard that news. Have you heard it and explain? Just you have to explain about the situation. Yes. Have you heard it and explain?
Okay. Okay.
And last, why you think it was good news? Why you think it was good news?
Okay.
So
Ma'am.
Vansi Garu, yes, I'll give 1 minute. You can prepare for 1 minute and have to speak until I stop you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, please start speaking.
Yes. Yes, madam. Actually, one is a piece of good news to me that recently my mother suffered. She sick from corona, madam. Actually, that also, and I asked to my friends personally to gather the money, and without my friends are without knowing me, they arranged as a group, and they raise hands without knowing me. They arrange as a group and raise their hands for helping for funds. And actually, that one I didn't ask to her to arrange the as a group, but they themselves only organize a group and raise their hands for funds. And after receiving the much amount in my bank account, I came to know that is a good news. I came to know that why you how it happened. Just I asked my friends. They told that yeah, we only arranged the amount. That is a good news. That's a piece of good news to me, and it helps me a lot for me. Of they help at that this critical time. They help the money very and it is good news to me. Uh, Actually, personally, I thought that I have asked I have to my close ones very personally to gather little amount, but without knowing me, they organize a group and they raise their hands for funds, and that is a good news.
Yes.
And after receiving only such much amount in my bank account, I personally asked to them why you done like this. They told that if we told to this to you, you never accept our proposal. So without knowing you only, we did it. Then actually we also not expected this much amount will become will be raised will be will be funded. I don't know. They also not expected this much amount will be funded. But finally, after getting the money from to my account, much amount at this critical time, and also knowing this good news, this news, and also I reconfirmed my mom's conditions to them, and they feel also happy after after my mom's conditions stable.
Good.
And
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vansi.
thank you.
So how is
Thank
your
you,
mother?
She is fine, madam. No, she is okay.
Take care of her. Take care.
Thank you. That is a memorable thing. Man. I also didn't expected this thing.
Yes.
These all are my BTech friends.
Oh, great, great.
They all are my BTech, my
Real
BTech friends, my BTech and my BTech senior friends.
Yes.
All they gathered and we collected me. That is a good thing. No,
So nice.
actually, when I was participating in cultural activities in my college days.
Okay.
That helps me a lot. As I may be known to all of you guys.
So you
that
are
may
very
be,
lucky to have such a great friends.
yeah, madam, yeah. Thank you.
Very
Thanks to
lucky.
God. Thanks to God.
Thanks. And thank you so much, Vansi Garu. And
Yeah, thank you,
you
madam.
spoke well. And all the best for your future, about your business.
Yeah,
And take
thank
care
you.
of your mom. Thanks.
Yeah, madam.
Thank you so much.
I
And
also the situation is very bad madam, today. Right now, nowadays in our India.
yes, yes.
Also take care of their health. Also to follow some precautions to take.
Questions. Yes.
Uh, because without going to what to say. I have to first of all we have to take precautions.
Yes,
Then
exactly. So that is
after,
why we are
after
working from
going to,
home.
yeah.
Still we are working from home. Yes.
Yeah. Still we are.
Yes. And take care of yourself and also your family. And thank you so much, Vamsi Garu. And
Thank you, mate. Thank you
take
for
care.
you give. Thank you for expressing my views and giving this opportunity.
Thank you. Thank
And feeling emotion to talk with you.
you.
To share my good news to all of our guys who
Yes.
is here.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, mate.
I'm really grateful to you all the students here.
Okay, madam.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, madam. Madam, anything suggestions, madam, about my fluency talking
Fluency.
fluency?
Yes, exactly. About their sentence structure. You need to improve the sentence structure. You're speaking well,
Yeah.
but a few grammatical errors and
Yeah.
about the sentence structure is the main important thing. Your fluency is good. Your fluency is
Yes.
good, but the main thing is you're repeating the same thing again and again. So don't
Yes,
repeat the
madam.
same.
Okay, madam.
Yes, don't repeat the same thing, and sentence structures and few grammatical errors. So work on it.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, madam. Okay. Thank you.
Otherwise, everything is good.
Yeah. Also, I sent a essay to him, madam. I forgot
Oh,
essay to
you
him.
are the one. Yes. Sorry for the delay.
Yeah.
I was busy with my work once ago. Okay. Today
Okay.
I'll be confirm. Okay. I'll send you
Okay.
a band score. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, actually, here only on for us, I'm working. I'm talking with only local guys. No, so I'm unable to talk with in English. I have to talk in Telugu only. So that is a major thing to talk
Mm.
fluently. Not
You can talk yourself.
maintain structure, sentence structure.
Yes. Yes.
That is little problem. Any app is still minimum to good apps are there
App.
for, uh, for conversation purpose.
Conversation. Yes, there are many apps like Cambly. Guys, any apps? I know Cambly, also Cake, e- Cake app, CAKE, Cake app, and Cambly. Mm, I think Cambly would be better, I guess. And also Hello Talk. Hello Talk. Just try that, Vamsi.
Okay, madam. Madam, about my intensity of voice, madam. About
Your
my
voice?
sound of voice, because actually I little having hammering problem. So I'm asking.
No. It's everything is good. Only sentence structures. You need to improve your sentence structure. Your voice, nothing about that. And also sound. Your voice. It's not matter, right?
Okay.
We have
Okay.
put subscription for those applications. Really? Okay. Also for Cambly, Bharat, Cambly, it's better, ma'am. Vamsi Garu, try this U dictionary.
Okay,
U
madam.
dictionary. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes, now. Sonia from East Godavari. Sonia? Sonia, next, Pawan.
Hello.
Hi, Sonia.
Hi. Hi, ma'am. Good
How are
morning.
you? Very good morning.
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm great, Sonia. Where you are from?
I'm from Rajahmundry.
Hey, Rajahmundry. Good. So, how is the weather today, Sonia? There in Rajahmundry?
It's not too much hot and too much okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Sonia, your topics. So, what's your full name? First of all, what's your full name?
Yeah, full name is Vinjarapu Sonia.
What can I call you?
Sonia, Sonia.
Sonia. Sonia, are you a student or do you work?
At present, I'm not working.
Hmm.
Because of Corona, I'm not working.
Okay.
Mm.
Hey, my favorite topic. Sonia, let's talk something about sleeping. Okay,
Sleeping.
sleeping. It's my favorite.
Mm.
So, when do you usually get up?
It's 7 or 6, between around 6 to 7.
Just try to elaborate your answer.
Yeah, I wake up at 6, between 6 to 7.
6 to 7. Okay. How long do you think it's healthy to sleep?
It's healthy of a minimum of 7 hours, I think. Yeah.
Okay. It's better to elaborate your answer, Sonia. Like, uh, it's it's a kind depends on which age you are, right? So for elderly people, it's approximately 5 to 6 hours will be sufficient.
Yeah.
Okay.
After
As the yes, as they don't have to exert too much physically during the day. But for younger people, 8 hours of sleep would recharge the batteries. Okay, you can use this idiom, recharge the batteries for the next working day. So I think it depends on the age.
yes. Yes.
So Sonia, how much hours do you spend on sleeping every day?
I think 7 hours.
7 hours.
Yes.
Okay. Elaborate. Just say something.
Actually, my fluency was gone because I'm spending in home now, so I'm not able to elaborate anything. That's
Not
the
a problem, not a problem, dear. For example, if your question is how many hours do you spend to sleep, right? So you said it's 7 hours.
problem.
So yes,
I
7 hours every day in order to let my body relax. But if I have any work or if I want to prepare for something like any task, so it may varies. Okay,
yes.
so just anything. Mm, okay. Sonia, tell me, is it necessary to take a nap every day?
Yes, ma'am. It is very important. Just for 1 hour,
Yes.
not
One
more
hour,
than 1 hour. For 1 hour, it is good for health.
good for health.
Mm.
How it would be beneficial to our health?
How means our mobile is if we keep charging, it will work.
Mm,
Like same our body also. If
mm,
we take for 1 hour,
mm.
our body will recharge.
Yes, very good. Very good. Yes, good, good. So we can feel more refreshed and full
Yes.
of energy, right? If we take a
Yes.
nap. Mm, good. Okay. Sonia, let's talk something about. Mm. Sonia, do you like music?
Yes, ma'am. I
You
like
love
to.
music.
Yes, ma'am.
So, who is your favorite singer? Favorite
DS,
singer?
DSP. My favorite singer is DSP
Why? Why he's your favorite?
because he will sing all like folk songs and melody and everything. So I like his singing.
Singing. Okay. Uh, mm, mm, mm. So, would you want to be a celebrity in the future?
Yeah, I want. If I get a chance, I want to become
What do you want to become? A singer or actor or what?
like an actor only.
So, do you like acting, Sonia?
Little bit I know, and I can dance. I want to
Good.
become a celebrity in dance and in as an actor also, actress also.
In the future, if you become celebrity, please give me an autograph, Sonia. Don't forget me. And my name is Satya. Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. So let's talk something about. Okay, let's move on to the cue card. Cue card. Your
Oh.
cue card topic is. Mm-mm-mm. Yes. Holiday trip. It's finished. Hmm. So, do you know any successful businessman? Can you talk about a successful businessman, Sonia?
Successful businessman.
Or if you want me to change the topic, I will
I change one. Change.
change. Okay. Describe a park or garden in your hometown.
Garden. Yeah.
Yes. In Rajahmundry, there are a lot of gardens, right?
Yes.
Yes. So you should say where it is, what it looked like, what you do there, and explain. Yes, and explain why you like it.
Okay. Actually, this is my sister, mother-in-law's house. Means I'm married. So my native place is Hyderabad.
Okay.
In Hyderabad, I like garden which is in BN Reddy. I like it because it is near to my hostel in college days.
Mhm.
So in evening time, at evening time, my roommates like in my hostel, my friends around 10 to 12 members. We will evening we will go
Mhm.
and we used to play a lot and in garden there is different types of plants and I too like gardening. Mm. Yes, ma'am. There is a lot of flowers.
Yes. To enjoy, yes, with
And
the plenty of gorgeous flowers and trees.
yes,
And is there anything else there?
in that park there is a children's park.
Yes.
In that like swing and everything like children's playing items are there. So by saying that we enjoyed a lot.
Good. Good. Okay. Mm. So, do you think there are enough public gardens in your hometown?
Yeah, in Hyderabad it is there.
Okay.
In Hyderabad there is a like a like colony gardens will be there.
Okay then. So thank you so much.
In Rajahmundry, I don't know. Recently I came. So in Hyderabad,
We don't know much about Rajahmundry.
Rajahmundry, yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, Sonia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. I will take care of your health and try to improve your ideas. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, ideas and that sentence structure is good. Just you have to elaborate your answer. Okay?
Okay.
Just practice and have a great day, Sonia.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Sushma. Sushma, are you there? Yes. Sushma.
Ma'am, may I audible, ma'am?
Yes. Hi, Sushma.
Yeah, ma'am. Good
Yes,
morning.
I can hear you. How are you, Sushma?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm doing good, Sushma. Where are you from?
I am from Krishna district, ma'am.
Krishna district. Okay. Vijayawada?
No, ma'am. In Krishna district, Machilipatnam.
Machilipatnam.
Yes,
Hey,
ma'am.
beach. Machilipatnam beach. I know that.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Sushma,
Yes, ma'am.
are you a student or do you work?
Ma'am, I am student. I am pursuing my graduation, ma'am.
Graduation. Okay.
Yes,
Describe your education.
yes, ma'am. I am pursuing my graduation in Tirupati, ma'am. It's Sri Padmavati. And I am pursuing my graduation in accounts, stats, and computer applications, ma'am. Really, it's a course which I was interested in. So I took commerce as my way, and I also interested in accountancy. So I taken it as my optional subject. And whether come to computers in this running world, actually, computer plays a most important role. So I prefer computer as my optional subject. In computer applications such as Java, Python, I was so interested in. So I took it as my specified course, and I'm very interested to know any information regarding these three subjects, ma'am. So I'm pursuing my graduation in this stream, and I completed my intermediate in APRJC. So now I'm pursuing my graduation, ma'am.
Good. Good. So, Sushma, let's talk something about gifts. Gift.
In which way, ma'am? In the
I'll ask you some questions on this.
okay.
Do you often give gifts to people?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, most of us familiar gifts means birthday parties. So whenever my friend birthday parties or any kind of facilitation functions on the achievement of any student, I usually give a pen to the persons because I give the pen with a time, ma'am. Really, every second is very precious for us in this competitive world. So I would like to give gift in reference with a pen along with the time, ma'am. Really, I think it is very helpful them because they will count every minute with every word they will write on a paper. So if gifts means I usually give on birthdays or any kind of festivation functions.
So, what was the last gift that you received?
Last gift was before Corona effect, ma'am. Actually, I was pursuing my graduation in hostel. So actually, hostels means we will familiar with the birthday parties at 12 o'clock. Last time in our class, my friend Niranjini birthday. So at that time, I gave a pen presentation to her.
Okay. So, Sushma, have you ever received a gift that you didn't like?
No, ma'am. Actually, whatever the gift, maybe it is so precious, maybe it is so cost. I won't see that one. every present they will give with their wholeheartedness. So I like everything, ma'am, whatever they give.
Good. Good. So, do you prefer receiving a gift or giving a gift?
Actually, if we give any gift to anyone, we will have some kind of gymnasty, whether they like it or maybe it is so not, maybe it's not so cost. We will have some expectations in kind of we are giving a gift to anyone. At the same time, if I receive a gift, I feel very happy. So I think they both are very important. They are like two sides of a coin. So I think this too involves a kind of happiness, pleasant, and also a kind of enthusiasm in everyone.
Sushma, do you think it's difficult to choose what gift to give to people?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
Do you think is it difficult to choose a gift?
Yes, ma'am. Because we should give a gift according to the person, their preferences, their taste, preference, the present situation, what they are studying. If we purchase a book for one person, we have to know whether they are studying in commerce stream or any kind of science stream. We have to know and we have to present a gift regarding to this one. So I think it is somewhat difficult, but not much. If you know about all the qualities regarding the person, then we can definitely choose a gift which is suitable for them.
Good, good. So, what were the gifts you sent to others recently?
Recently, I bought a gift to my mom, ma'am. At home, she celebrated her birthday. I brought one kind of presentation, but I have a little bit of doubt whether my mom like or not. Actually, mothers will, before taking the gift, they will tell, why you spend this kind of money? Definitely.
Exactly.
So I bought it from my, as a part of my scholarship, I got amount, ma'am. So I saved them and I got surprisingly to her. She felt very happy starting and then she, why you spending this kind of money for all this? But internally she feel very happy, ma'am. That's one.
Good.
Yes.
So, we will wait just 1 minute. Yes. So, Sushma, let's move on to the next part. It is cue card.
Yes, ma'am.
So, your topic is describe a situation
Yes, ma'am.
when you had to be polite.
Okay.
So, your first question is what it was,
Okay.
what did you do to be polite,
Yes, ma'am.
why did you have to be polite,
Okay.
and explain how you felt about it afterwards.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So, Sushma, I'll give 1 minute. Please
Okay.
prepare. Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Could you please start speaking?
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, please, please.
Okay. Actually, after my 10th class, I chose my career in commerce stream, ma'am. There I took CEC as my subject, ma'am. So some of the persons said, why CEC this girl? She got nice points in 10th class, then why she is going for CEC? You can take MPC or BPC. Those two streams are very important. You can take that only. So many people forced me, ma'am. But at that situation, I was so polite. No, I has my concentration and my path was very clear to me. So I said, so this time we should be very polite and we show something for that what I taken. So at that situation, I was so polite, ma'am. After that, I got free seat in APRJC and there I start studying, ma'am. So every time I study, I got that hope. Why I got CSC? But I should show something for the person who criticized me. So I got very good marks in CEC, ma'am. And regarding to that, I got selected for Pratibha Award. And I also took the Pratibha Award from our Honorable Chief Minister, ma'am. At that time, I go to the person who criticized me for taking CEC as my subject. I did not tell anything. At that time also, I was so polite. I just go to the sir. Sir, this is my hour. Sir told that now I got what you told that day. So there is something that in you, no one can find that. And I think he said that he liked that kind of quality which he saw me. He told that I saw so many students, but I didn't saw this kind of student in my life. And now Sushma, you show me what. So not only MPC and BPC, there are some of kind of students. Means in our society, they're kind of dullers only will take CEC, like that they will be think. But there are some kind of students who will have a correct path. Actually, I want to go for civils exam. So that's why I taken this one, ma'am. At that time, I was felt very happy regarding that one. So at that time, whatever the situation, we should not react immediately. We should be polite and we should show the results. Then only there will be some kind of value for our politeness. There are some situations that harasses in our hostels or in our college among our classmates. We should not react immediately. We should be polite to somewhat in some extent. And after that time, we should show the results to them. Then there should be a necessary value for our politeness in any kind of situation, according to me. So silence, we know that silence is the best answer for anything. So politeness also in the same way. We should not react immediately. If we react immediately, there should be some kind of arguments or anger that prevails among the individuals. We should be very polite and we should show the results regarding to our politeness. This is the kind of principle that was followed me. And according to me, the politeness is the best answer for anything. Instead of anger, if you show the politeness, there will be no kind of arguments or any kind of hatredness that prevails among the people. And according to me, the politeness is very best answer, and I agree with the statement. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, can I continue or enough, ma'am?
Hi, Sushma. I
Yes,
think
ma'am.
ma'am got some technical issue.
Okay, ma'am.
She's left.
Okay.
Okay. I want to say something about you. I
Yes, ma'am.
heard your words.
Yes.
I think you have an extra skill, like an public speaker who will motivate others also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please continue that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. We will wait in 5 minutes. Otherwise, I will text to the ma'am.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
will see for 5 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Sushma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, yes.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Sorry, Sushma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Sushma.
It's okay, ma'am. Okay, problem.
Really sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
But
shall I start again? Did you hear about that one, ma'am?
yes. Cue card last la miss ayanu.
Okay, ma'am.
Last point.
Yeah, ma'am.
Wait,
Shall-
just 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Sushma, explain how you felt about it afterwards. Could you please explain that?
Yes, ma'am. Afterwards, I felt that politeness is the best answer for anything, ma'am. See, if any kind of arguments were going on, we should not see observe or we should react immediately according to the situation. We should be very polite in that situation, and we show some kind of results, ma'am, according to that one. And definitely there will be a kind of appreciation to whatever the kind of politeness that was added by us. So according to me, the politeness is the very best answer, and it's also a very good solution for any kind of problem in our personal life or in any kind of matters regarding to our academic manners or according to our education or any kind of personal matters. It plays a best role. That's it.
Good, good. So, Sushma, our people are more polite with non-family members than they are with their parents.
Ravana, can you
Uh,
please
yes,
repeat
yes,
again?
yes. So, are people
Yes, ma'am.
more polite with non-family members, like friends or whatever, so than they are with the parents?
Okay, ma'am. Basically, according to me,
Mm.
they're kind of blood relations in our family
Mm.
are according to not only me, according to the situation matters. Rather than our family friends or family relation, the non-family members will play a very important role in our life. See, there are so many kind of examples. In any person, the most important role was played by some of the members. Suppose in a student career, teachers, parents, and some kind of friends plays a most important role. In the same way, according to the family matters, the non-family friends plays a most important role, either in kind of helping or any kind of giving a nice, useful decisions or suggestions. They plays a most important role. And in comes so being politeness with the family members plays a most important role rather than with non-family members, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Actually, they will use a nice, useful decision than our family friends.
Mm.
Because in family friends, they place a kind of arrogance. If she's studying, she's coming very good. By need of our children are like this. But non-family members, they won't play like this one.
Yes. So, Sushma, what kinds of behavior are not polite in your opinion?
In our opinion, every person will have kind of individuality, and we can't even individual with every person. If some person is arrogant, he's shouting, but he has a nice heart. At the same time, a person is so polite, but she will do or he or she will do some kind of naughty things. So by seeing a person, by talking with one word with them, we can't judge a person. So every person will have their individuality, and they place a positive attitude which we can't see in them, but they know their positive quality. So according to, we should not judge a book by its cover. I follow it very well, ma'am.
Yes. Good. Good, Sushma. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Really, you spoke very well, and also your ideas are too good. Good.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, any kind of corrections?
Corrections?
Yes.
Nothing. Everything is perfect.
Okay,
Good.
ma'am.
Good, Sushma.
Thank you for this opportunity, ma'am.
Thank you so much, dear.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
you can expect 6.5 to 7 band if you take
Okay.
your IELTS speaking.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sushma. And song ఎవరు సంధ్య రేపు పాడతానన్న హ్యారీ పోటర్ are you there? Sandhya, Sandhya, you want to sing this song? Harry Potter. It's your turn. Today, Friday. Raja Saraswati garu. Yes. Okay. Manikanta and Saraswati garu. Yes. Now, ma'am, Saraswati garu, Manikanta. First, ఎవరిని చేద్దాం? Okay, Saraswati
Yeah,
garu.
I unmuted both of them, ma'am.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hi,
Hi. Hello.
Saraswati.
Hi,
Ma'am.
Saraswati. Hi. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am,
Fine.
am I audible to you, ma'am? Clearly?
Yes, yes.
How is my voice?
Yes, it's clear. It's clear, Saraswati.
Okay, then today I will sing for you. Wherever you go, I will follow song.
Follow. Yes, please.
Wherever you go, I will follow. Wherever you go, I will follow. Sunrise are behind us. 2017, the start of the story. Rumors about you and me, talking about our chemistry, but no need to hurry. Cause I will light up your heaven tonight, light up the whole world. Just for you, just for you. Wherever you go, I will follow. Wherever you are, Lord, just let me hold you. Let me hold you. Don't be afraid, I'll make it okay, just let me hold you. Let me hold you. Baby, I want to just away. I'm not gonna leave, I'm here to stay. Cause I'm nobody, I got you. Even if time will fall away, will you be hotter than a flame? Cause I'm nobody, I'm got you. No, if I'm got you, wherever you go, will go. Wherever you
There's only we know.
hold you,
What?
let me hold you. Don't be afraid, I will show you. I will make it okay, just let me hold you. Let me hold you. Baby, don't let me down. Don't let me down, let me, don't let me down. Without you, I'm frozen. Without you, I'm frozen. Hey, wherever you go, will follow. Don't be afraid, I will show you. Wherever you go, will follow. Whenever you know, just let me hold you. Let me hold you. Don't be afraid, I will show you. I will make it okay, just let me hold you. Let me hold you. Baby, don't let me down. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Without you, I'm frozen. Without you, I'm frozen. Baby, don't let me down. Don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Without you, I'm frozen. Without you, I'm frozen.
You are fully energetic. What's the secret? Saraswati.
You are my inspiration, madam. I told you first day. I'm singing only for you.
Thank you. Thank
Ma'am,
you.
tomorrow I will speak, ma'am. Tomorrow I will speak.
Sure, sure. And thank you so much, Saraswati.
Thanks, ma'am.
Have a
Bye.
great day. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Same to you.
Thank you. Bye. Yes. Thank you, dear.
Thanks, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Yes. Harry Potter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Manikanda.
Okay. My dear friends, this is really for the first time in my life I'm going to sing. I don't know whether it's going to be a disaster, but please bear me for 2 minutes. Ma'am, I'm going to sing Somewhere Only We Know.
Yes. Somewhere. Okay.
Somewhere Only We Know.
We know. Okay. Please start.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go somewhere only we go? Talk about it somewhere only we know. This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ హ్యారీ పాటర్. అండ్ చాలా బాగా పాడావు కదా, ఎందుకు డిజాస్టర్ అన్నా? ఇట్స్ గుడ్, ఇట్స్ రియలీ గుడ్ హ్యారీ పాటర్. అండ్
Thank you for the opportunity, ma'am.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
Ma'am, I
Yeah,
would like to
please.
say something, ma'am,
యా ప్లీజ్.
because I got the opportunity to speak. Um, we are going to, we are getting closer to the end of our course, and I would like to talk something about you. After all of these days, what we felt personally is that you are very much hardworking and very much supportive to the students, and we learned a lot from your teachings, and we just came to know the rudiments of IELTS course, ma'am. So for all that, I just want to be thankful to you.
Thank you so much. Even I am grateful to you all. And you're pouring that love towards me, and I'm really grateful. Thank you so much, Harry Potter. Thank
And
you, dear.
we'll definitely say, and we are going to miss you, ma'am.
Really, I miss you all. I will miss you all. Really. చూద్దాం ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ ఏమైనా కోర్సెస్ ఉంటే మీట్ యూ ఆల్ అగైన్. ఐ హోప్ సో. And I wish
I'll be having exams for Monday, ma'am.
Monday. All the best, Harry Potter.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
prepared?
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Good. And all the best. And also for your future, Harry. And
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. And have a great day, Manikanta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Not Manikanta. Harry Potter would be better, I guess. Yes, Harry Potter. Yes, all the best to you all. ఎగ్జామ్ టెన్షన్ ఏమొద్దు, హ్యాపీగా రాయండి, క్లియర్ అయిపోతుంది అంతా. అండ్ ఎవరో మాట్లాడతానన్నారు ఇందాక. ఎస్, he has such a beautiful voice. And ఎవరు మాట్లాడతానన్నారు గైస్? I'll sing a little bit, ma'am. Today, Ram? Today or tomorrow, Ram? Now, good. Good. So, Ram Mohan. Pavan, you got power cut? Oh, even I got power cut. Yes. So, Pavan, tomorrow you can speak. Okay? I'll give a chance tomorrow. Ma'am, are you teaching for IELTS batch too? Yes. Hi. Good afternoon. Who is that? Yes, Ram.
Hi, ma'am.
Is that
I'm
you?
Ramo.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Am I
Ram.
audible?
But I'm getting low voice. I don't know what about others. Can you speak a bit loud?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to sing now. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, it's okay. Please.
Okay, ma'am. I love it when you call me senorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for ya. Land in Miami. The air was hot from summer rain, sweet drip of me. Before I even knew her name, la la la. It felt like ooh la la la. Yeah, no, that's it, ma'am.
Yes. థ్యాంక్ యూ రామ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. బాగా పాడుతున్నావుగా, మరెందుకు టెన్షన్ పడ్డావు? గుడ్. సో ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ another song from you, Ram, tomorrow, or a full song.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. నీకు ఇష్టమైతేనే, I mean, if you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
comfortable, you can. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you so much, Ram. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Same too, ma'am. Have a great day, ma'am.
Great day.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. What is the time? It's 12:22. So ఇందాక హ్యాండ్ రేస్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు పవన్ అండ్ సంథింగ్ షేక్. Who is that? Could you please raise your hand? Sheikh. Also Karthik. మ్యామ్ ఇందాక ఎవరో షేక్ అని వచ్చింది లాస్ట్ లో.
Yeah, I unmuted him, ma'am.
Yes.
Meeravali.
మీరావళి. హాయ్. హలో.
Meeravali, ma'am.
మీరావళి. హాయ్.
Meeravali.
How are you, Meeravali garu?
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you. What about you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm doing great, Meeravali garu. Where you are from?
I'm from Guntur, ma'am.
Guntur. Okay, it's near to Vijayawada. Yes. So Meeravali garu, are you a student or do you work? Your voice is not clear. Your voice is not clear, Meeravali garu.
Yes, ma'am. I'm working as a teacher, ma'am.
Teacher. Great. So where you are working, sir?
Hello.
Hello. Sir, where you are working? I think there is few network issues
Yes.
with. Yes.
ODS nursery. So that's which working as a math
Sir, I can't hear you. So
assistant, ma'am, in the private school.
okay.
Ma'am, I'm working as a private employee.
Private
As a
employee. Okay.
private employee, math teacher, ma'am.
Maths. Oh no. Maths అంటే నా భయం, sir. Okay. So, okay. Could you please explain a bit about your work, Meeravali, sir? Sir, are you there? Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ఆయన
I
లేరండి.
think ఉన్నారు ma'am. I think the sir unmute.
నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir,
Yeah.
ఓకే మ్యామ్, ఈరోజు మిస్ అయితే ఇంకా రేపు తీసుకుంటాను మిగతా వాళ్ళకి. అండ్ రేపు ఇవి కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేస్తాను మ్యామ్. ఓవర్వ్యూ ఇప్పటి వరకు ఏం చెప్పాము, ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసాము అనేది మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఓవర్వ్యూ రేపు డిస్కస్ చేస్తాము. గైస్, రేపు పవన్ కి,
Hello, ma'am.
మీరావళి సార్ కి. సార్ మ్యామ్ చెప్పండి.
Yes, ma'am. Unmute చేశాను ma'am sir ని. Sir కూడా చేసు.
హాయ్ సార్.
He got any technical issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me thank you. Okay. Okay, ma'am. I think 5 minutes left.
It's only 5 minutes కాబట్టి ఇంకా స్పీకింగ్ అవ్వదు.
Yes.
సో రేపు తీసుకుంటాను మేము వాళ్ళకి. అండ్ మణికంఠ, రామ్ అండ్ సరస్వతి,
Sushma.
సుష్మా, ఈరోజు ఇంకెవరికి తీసుకున్నాను? సుష్మా ఫ్రమ్ రాజమండ్రి. హర్ నేమ్ ఈస్ సోనియా. సోనియా, I guess. సోనియా. వంశీ, ఎస్, వంశీ కృష్ణ గారు. ఎస్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. అండ్ టుమారో ఎవరైతే మాట్లాడలేదో రేపు మాట్లాడడానికి ట్రై చేయాలి కంపల్సరీ. ఓకే, చూసారు కదా, జస్ట్ ఒక ఎగ్జామ్ లా ఏమీ కాదు, జస్ట్ నార్మల్ కాన్వర్సేషన్. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో ఎట్లా మాట్లాడారో నాతో కూడా అట్లా మాట్లాడండి. ఓకే, రేపు పవన్ రేపు మాట్లాడాలి మీరు. అండ్ ఆల్సో సార్తో కూడా మీరవ్వాలి సార్. అండ్ ఆల్సో రిమైనింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. యువరాజ్ నాకు ఫస్ట్ డే మాట్లాడతానన్నారు. యూ మిస్డ్ యువరాజ్. సో రేపు
Karthik from Visakhapatnam also he raised
the hand. Yes, కార్తిక్ మీకు రేపు తీసుకుంటానండి కంపల్సరీ. ఓకే, ఎస్, ఈవెన్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు మిస్ యూ ఆల్. ఎస్, ఓకే గైస్. మణికంఠ, tomorrow. Okay, I'll take another mock for you. Yes, నేను మాట్లాడు tomorrow. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, సంధ్య కూడా రేపు మాట్లాడుతుంది. సో 4 మెంబర్స్: సంధ్య, పవన్, మణికంఠ అండ్ యువరాజ్. అండ్ ఆల్సో those who raise their hands రేపు తీసేసుకుంటాం. Okay guys, please fill that feedback form and see you tomorrow. Yes, see you tomorrow. Also Jahnavi, yes, Jahnavi is going to sing a song tomorrow. Yes. Okay guys, bye bye, have a great day.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. You
Bye,
too.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
You too, ma'am.
Bye, guys.